Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about different easy skills which you can sell on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms and earn easy money. So in today's video, I will teach you how you can create web banners and how you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. But first of all, we'll go to Fiverr and let's see that is there is a demand of this skill or not. So I am on fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platforms where you can sell your service and people can buy it, and in this way you can earn money. So here I search for web banner design, and as you can see, there are only 2400 plus services available and people are getting orders. So I will click on this. So in basic he charge one creative banner $10. In standard he charge $25. In premium he charge $45. So this is very easy skill. You can earn easy money through it. So let's go towards how to design this. So I am designing a web banner for a clothing brand. So I'm using Canva for this because if I use Photoshop it will take a lot of time and I do not want to take this video too long. So here I search for web banner, sorry, so here are different web banners. So I click on this, customize this template, and delete all things from here because I want to so there are different templates available and they are very easy to customize, and I like this one. Yeah, this one is great, but we have to change the photos because our brand only covers women. So I'm going to photos and here I write women fashion, and now I am changing the images. No, I need single images, and let's see what we and that's it. Latest collection, best outfits in the town, and in this way we can easily create this banner. So that's why it is very easy to learn this skill, and you can see we can create in 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and you can sell this on Fiverr on $10, $25 or $45 as your need. So in this way, that's it. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.